Anoushka Gupta and I'm 10 years old. My project is about purifying the air that circulates in your bedroom or lounge area. This idea is handy for those who live in polluted cities, such as Beijing or New Delhi. Pardon me, or for those who have allergies to either dust, pollen, or pet dander. You could find this technology used in commercial air purifiers, which cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Or you could simply make your own air purifier for only about $25. This is where my Robogals Major Challenge comes into picture. I have used a simple, inexpensive, but highly efficient way to make my own air purifier. The most important part in making your own air purifier is the HEPA filter, otherwise known as a high-efficiency particulate air filter, which was invented in the mid-20th century. A HEPA filter is a type of mechanical air filter, which works by forcing air through tiny mesh particles, like a strainer, trapping harmful substances such as dust, pollen, pet dander, mold, tobacco smoke, and lint. However, this is no ordinary HEPA filter. There are several layers involved in the cleansing process. The first layer is this black layer here, which is a cleanable pre-filter, which traps any large particles, such as hair. The second layer is an activated carbon filter, which removes odor and impurities. And the final layer is the HEPA filter. To make your own air purifier, you will need a HEPA filter, as I mentioned before. You will also need a box fan, and finally, you will need something to attach them both together. You could use duct tape, or as I have used, these handy adjustable straps. The only issue that I face is that my box fan isn't completely flat, so I can't actually directly attach the HEPA filter to it. So what I have done is, in a box, I have cut out an air inlet, air outlet, and a plug hole. To ensure that the unfiltered and filtered air do not mix in the box, I have also attached styrofoam to the base of my fan to seal any air gaps. Voila! This is the finished product. Now it is time to test it. It works! Even though I don't have any measuring instruments, various labs have confirmed that a homemade air purifier can filter more than 99% of particles 0.3 microns or larger. Besides learning about air pollution and filtration techniques, I have also learned about patents and how they are used to protect the intellectual property of their inventor. However, patents are only valid for a certain time period, usually 20 years. And so when they expire, generic manufacturers as well as the public are free to use them. I have participated in Robogals Science Challenge because it is an enjoyable way to develop my STEM knowledge and skills. Other girls should definitely participate in Robogals Science Challenge because it is an amazing opportunity to develop their STEM skills as well as have fun by participating in the minor challenges and the SED day. Thanks for watching.